Good morning, everyone. Let us discuss about women entrepreneurship. So these are the topics that need to be highlighted in women entrepreneurship. Hope this page that is written is little bit clear to you. Let us know what is an woman empowerment and woman entrepreneurship. So words like woman empowerment all came into a picture because this lay a path to the economic development in India. So why a woman need to be empowered? Apart from the economy, if a woman is empowered, it helps in developing the family. So we need a woman to be empowered. So the criteria in empowerment is one of the criteria in empowerment is entrepreneurship. There comes to a picture. So when women are becomes an entrepreneur, Indian economy is going to be developed. As of the norms of the government, women entrepreneurs enterprises is depended as a owned and controlled by women with a minimum financial interest. Means if a woman or need to be a entrepreneur, if you want to start a business, so government gives them schemes or interest based capital. 51% of the employment was generated by the women on the basis of this entrepreneurship. So women entrepreneur deals with socio-economical progress of the country. Why women empowerment or why entrepreneurship is needed? Need for economic independency. These points like need for economic independence, technology, achievement of excellence, and establishing an independent career need to be discussed. Need for economic independency, like they should be financially independent. Technology, like even they can't go to some other place and work, they can work from home as of we are doing now, and many other criteria like they can start a small scale industry in the home and all. Coming to the third point, achievement of excellence. If a woman become an entrepreneur, definitely the country economy is going to be increased, and excellence is improved by the entrepreneurship. Establishing an identity in a career. A woman without a career working in a family, even though the family grows, but they won't be having any specific career or identity for them. So with this entrepreneurship, an identity can be established for a woman. So in the next category of woman entrepreneur, the topic need to be highlighted in woman entrepreneurship in Asia. When we are speaking about an Asia, it means throughout the world, what are the places where the empowerment is there. Entrepreneurs are started in South Asia, Bhutan, India, Bangladesh, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and all are by women. There may be a categories of women entrepreneurs like chances, forced and created entrepreneur, but they won't come into a picture. Only thing is motivation behind starting their own businesses. So when we speak about the self-employment criteria, important source of the livelihood in Asia is the entrepreneurship or the self-employment. So they need to learn some technical skills like computers, maybe some other works to go with the entrepreneurship. Woman, when coming to a picture of women entrepreneurs apart from Asia, if we speak about India, woman entrepreneur in India, there are subsequent chances like economy is visible in India, like business are need to be continued in growth in future. Means at present there is no particular growth of entrepreneurship, but there may be a future of more women entrepreneurship in India. So dividing with small scale, medium and large scale categories. In India, 61% are small scale are equipped with women, 18% are large scale equipped with women, remaining all cottages or long scale are left to be remained among the 100%. When we speak about a woman entrepreneurs in India, the chances like a majority of women are married and have small families. Many women entrepreneurs belong to low income groups. Many women entrepreneurs are out of economic necessity. They are like unmarried women but low income groups and also facing many troubles. Some are like widows, physically handicapped who doesn't have vision towards and who doesn't have self skill confidence. All those comes into pictures. So when we speak about apart from in India women entrepreneurship, challenges that are faced by women, microsphere, meosphere and macrosphere are the challenges faced by a woman. These are like local and economical family issues. We call them as microsphere. Meosphere is like regional and national level issues. We call them as meosphere. Macrosphere, global level working and all environmental, marketing, international trades and all comes in a picture in the macrosphere. These are the basic challenges that is faced by a woman. Why women entrepreneurship is needed? Because of apart from the economical growth, there is a wide business education, better financial assistance, weird access to the technology. All those are the factors that helps in development of the woman. To make it a development, NGOs which are providing some financial and intermediate services for the government and also leading directly to the poor and all came into a picture for helping women. So problems like some other schemes and problems like integrated rural development IRDP, Prime Minister's Yojana PMRY, Small Industrial Development Bank of India SIDB, Center for Women Development Studies indicate while participation of women in workforce is high. UNDP initiated a project science and technology applied for rural transformation state which operates through the network and technology. These are the basis of the empowerment in India for the rural development. So when we speak about them, these are used for the development based upon their particular criteria like SHG, self-help group addresses left needs of common interests. Like when the group are having a common interests, they all collect the money and they'll help among themselves. There are also some institutions which provide training, Abala Nari, and organizations also which provide the self-employment for women. So there are few women like VLCC, the owner of the VLCC establisher in 1989, Vander Luther, Care and Career, which was named as VLCC in 1989, which came in a picture with the idea of business. She is a married woman who is leading his family. She wanted to come into the create her own identity. So she started that. Likewise, there are many other women who wanted to create their own identity, make their mark in history, and also set some examples. Okay, this is the topic I want to cover today. So in the PDF that is given to you from page numbers like 171 to 180 and 189, 180 up to 189, there are these the topics covered are about women entrepreneurship. Please go through them. If you are having any doubt, it's like lot of theory. These are the main concept. This is the main concept, but there is a lot of theory about them. You need to study it. So just go through it and let me know if you people are having any doubt. I'll log into the ID. Bye guys.